the whirlwind. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Main Street Station in downtown Las Vegas. Gonna do a little walking tour. They actually have quite a few things here to see. Yeah, it's a taxi phone. Have a dial tone?
It works.
Wow. Yeah, it does. Right, let's see. Let's see if you guys can hear the dial tone. Not sure if you guys are able to hear that or not. Yeah, that's cool, and it has the numbers on who to call up there.
You just push the button?
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and then they have all these really old school slot machines. Take quarters and tokens. I like this one. There's an episode of, I think it's the Twilight Zone, and they have a bunch of these in one of the episodes. So cool. And we walked in through a side entrance. We didn't use the main entrance, so this may be a little different. And this is the hotel lobby, the check-in. I love how it looks like an old train station in here. Got the old like train station style seating, and then what's really cool are all the old hotel keys that they no longer use behind the check-in desk there. Yeah, it is. You just got a gift shop, really, guys. There's nothing in the gift shop that yeah, they don't have any like of their own branded stuff, right? Yeah, but they do have Stardust stuff. Look at that. Stardust hasn't been in. It's knocked down like 15 years ago or something like that. It's been quite a while. Stardust is pretty cool. Let's see.
No, I'm just gonna drink my other two later.
Have a good day. Good day.
They don't have any. Oh, they do have a Main Street Station magnet.
Whatever you have left. Whatever you have left.
Do they really? Oh wow.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
They do.
Every other time we've come in here, they've never had Main Street Station merch. Very cool.
Yeah.
It's not going to go to waste.
Only $10.99. Much cheaper than some of the other casinos. Very cool. We got some convenient items, some drinks. You can get some alcohol, waters, coffees, sodas, some chips, candies, basic things, basic necessities.
I didn't know. I've never heard of the brand.
Very cool.
She likes her tequila, so it should be pretty good.
Yeah, look at that. And it's a real mailbox. Look at, they have a current U.S. Postal pickup time, Monday through Friday, 1:15 p.m.
That sweater's $50.
Wow. It's a little pricey for.
Next time we come back to do it.
Well, I mean, I guess I can
Even
relate.
cold.
I think that's the same price for my hoodies.
But it's not even cold to wear it, so buying
Yeah.
it now is pointless.
It should be a sale item. Let's do our start our perimeter check. Look at, I've seen this stained glass over here. It's really pretty.
This is a pretty quiet casino.
Yeah. Yeah, mainly because I'm thinking it's because it's
Off Strip and off Fremont.
off Fremont. It's about a block off of Fremont. Kind of sits alone by itself. Yeah, look at all that stained glass. Wow. I need to get a picture of that. You guys know me and my pictures.
That's velvet.
Let's see if I can get it to, come on. There we go. That's cool. You guys see the picture of the shot right there? Got a wider angle. Cool. perimeter check. Got a lot of double bonus poker.
Double vision.
Yeah. For real. Yeah.
What is this one? I don't know. Not sure what that one is. If you guys have been following us for any length of time, you will know we are not gamblers. Don't like to give money away for no reason, you know? Unless it's a guaranteed thing that we would win, I would probably most likely not be gambling. Little $1.50 win off of a $2.64 bet. Shockwave poker. Haven't seen that one before. And they got more stained glass. So there's not much to see upstairs here. They got a few things upstairs in the center of the casino. We'll check out before we get out of here. But supposedly, if you guys are able to see this chandelier is imported from overseas somewhere. They have a lot of cool little things here. You can actually go to the front desk and but they will give you a map of where all these imported things are located. They even have a chunk of the Berlin Wall in the men's restroom, which I got a picture of that, and I will slip in here.
And if you are a woman and want to see it, you just find security and they'll take you in.
Exactly. And fun little fact, guys, since we're standing right here, these are the very doors, yes, that Robert DeNero walks out of in Casino. He walks out here. Here, we'll do this. He walks out here, and it's been changed a little bit, but he walks out here. His car is backed in when this section was also a parking lot. It was backed in somewhere right about here. You can see that giant sign behind the lamppost over there, and his vehicle explodes. So, and for those of you that also didn't know, Casino is based on true events, and they use the name the Tangiers in the movie, but it is actually all based off of the Stardust. All right, Mrs. 909. Continuing with our perimeter check. Oh, we got the buffet in there. Don't recommend it. This is a cool little bar. Look at the little fan up there. Keep the air circulating. So supposedly this boar over here is also an import and is on the map I was telling you guys about. It's supposed to be a imported boar. We got the entrance to the buffet. If you guys want and see current prices and timing for the buffet. You know, it's really not a big casino at all by any means, but it's spacious at the same time. They don't clutter the casino floor with machines. They do it properly. There's adequate space to walk around, turn around, whatever you need.
Sportsbook. Yeah. So they don't have a sportsbook here. Do they?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so.
Didn't you just read something that said sportsbook? Sportsbook kiosk? Okay, so their sportsbook is a kiosk.
I don't have one like you.
Yeah. We got a 777. It's a brewery. It says, please seat yourself. We'll just walk up here and give you guys a little sneak peek. It's cool in there. We've never eaten in there. I wonder if it's any good. Let me know down in the comments, guys. Have you ever eaten at 777? I would love to know. Is it any good? Is it worth trying? All right, now we're just going to, yeah, we can go upstairs. There's an elevator somewhere. I think it's over here. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and show you guys what there is to see up there. There's not much. I think there's like a pool table, and it's more things that you can buy and order, shipped to your house, sort of thing. We'll do that, and then we'll walk the casino floor. Sorry for the inconvenience. This elevator is under maintenance. Oh, well, I guess we're not getting up there today, because I don't know of any stairs that take you up there. But it would have been really cool, because there's actually, they have a glass window. What's that?
The Boyd founders.
Bill and Sam Boyd, board gaming founders. But they have in this elevator, a glass window, and it does show you like some antiques between the elevator and the walls of the casino. Yeah, this is the casino floor. Let's walk it a little bit. See what we can find. It is very nice in here for such a small casino. I heard that these are really easy to win off of.
Crap.
Yeah, those bubble machines in particular. I remember seeing a lot of them everywhere. Now all of a sudden they're disappearing. You know, I don't hear anybody winning today like we did the other day when we were walking through casinos. Back over here. And
You can go up and go through California.
no, I don't want to walk through California. Let's see. Yeah, that's really about it, guys. Yeah, I was really trying to get you guys up there, get us up there to check out what they had up there, but that elevator's out of service, unfortunately. So I think that's going to do it for Main Street Station here in downtown Las Vegas. If you guys enjoyed this sort of thing, you like walkthroughs, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. Also, before you get out of here, smash that like button. It lets YouTube know to share this video with others. Also, leave a comment. Have you stayed here at Main Street Station, or would you consider it? Yeah, do you like this this sort of smaller, more intimate casino?
Away from the crowd.
Yep, and this is on a Saturday, so this is considered crowded. Thanks for watching, guys.